Okay, CA111 Chapter 2, Project 1B. Alright, with our 2-com terms doc still open, we are simply going to give it a control home all the way up to the top. If you don't remember where your home key is, it's over to the right of your backspace key. Okay, take a look over on the right of your backspace key and you'll see Insert Home, Page Up, Delete, End, and Page Down. Alright, step number 2. Type a heading for the document by completing the following steps. Click the bold button in the font group and turn on the bold formatting. Then click underline to turn on the underlining. Then type glossary of terms. Okay, I don't like to do that. You can certainly do it in that order. Personally, I like to type my text first. Apparently I can't type, but if I could, I would type my stuff first. Glossary terms. Then I select it. I just feel like this is more precise. And we're going to turn on bold, and we're going to turn on underlining, okay? That's all you have to do. Again, if you want to do it in the order the book gives you, that's fine. I like to kind of be more precise and do it exactly the way I like, but I'm picky like that. So it's up to you. Control End, E and D, which is just below that home key, which takes you down to the very bottom of your document. Step 4, type the text shown in Figure 2.2 with the following specifications. While typing, make the appropriate text bold as shown in the figure. Okay, press the Enter key 2 times after typing the C heading. While typing, italicize the appropriate text. Okay, so we need to look at Figure 2.2, which is on the next page, and you'll see at the top of the next page. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and type mine in. Again, remember, don't hit a stroke of the Enter key unless you are finished with the definition of chip and need to move on to cluster. Okay, so go ahead and type that in and pause the video and then come back after you finish typing. Okay, so I typed it all in, and now what I need to do is I need to put in my bold formatting and my italics, right? So the first thing I need to do is select the word and make it bold wherever it's supposed to be, and then silicon should be italicized. See, it's really easy. Once you start doing it this way, the word cluster is bold, right? The word sectors is italicized. Coding is bold. Let's see, and coding doesn't have anything in italics in it. And then crackers is bold. And let's just go back really quick and make sure I didn't miss any italics. I don't think I did. Okay, so all you do is just type it in and then go put in the formatting wherever it's necessary and double check yours against Figure 2.2. It's pretty easy so far, right? All right. Step number 5. After typing the text, press the Enter key 2 times. Okay. Then press Control Home to move the insertion point to the beginning of the document. Okay, did it. Step number 6. Change the underlining below the title by completing the following steps. Select the title, Glossary of Terms. Now remember, on the left-hand side of your screen is your invisible selection bar. You'll know you're in it when you have a white mouse head that's pointed towards your text. Okay, so right here I've got my I-beam pointer. When I move over here, this is my invisible selection bar. I have a white mouse head pointing towards the text, and I click and I select Glossary of Terms. Okay. 5B, click the underline button arrow and then click the third underline option from the top of the drop-down gallery, which is the thick underline. So on our underline key right there, we have that nice little arrow, and they want us to pick this thick underline. Do you see the screen tip pop up that says thick underline? Go ahead and select it. Now click the underline button arrow again and point to the underline color option and then click red. Okay, so we hit that underline button arrow. We go all the way down to the bottom. It says underline color. We're going to go down to our standard colors and we're going to select red. Okay. With the title still selected, change the font size to 14 points. Got it? All right, go ahead and save that, and you're ready to move to the next video.